Working with arrays. At times, a program needs to use a number of variables. The declaration and initialization of these variables makes the program large and complex. In addition, it is difficult to keep track of so many variables. To overcome this problem, you need a single variable that can store multiple similar values. This can be achieved by using arrays. An array is a group of similar variables that are referred by the common name. Arrays can hold either primitive data type or object references. Arrays offer a convenient means of grouping the related information. In this video, we will learn to manipulating arrays. Manipulating arrays. In the classic jumble word game, you need to store 100 different words that will be used in the game. Therefore, to store these values, you need to declare 100 variables. This is because a variable in a program which makes the program code long and complex. Therefore, in such a situation, you need to declare a variable that can store 100 words. This can be achieved by declaring an array variable. An array is a collection of elements of a single data type stored in an adjacent memory locations. You can access an array element by specifying the name and the subscript number of the array. The subscript number specifies the position of an element within the array. It is also called the index of the element. The first element of an array has an index 0 and the last element has an index 1 less than the size number of elements in an array of the array. The following figure shows the array of employee ID. Employee ID 0 index, फर्स्ट इंडेक्स, सेकंड इंडेक्स, थर्ड इंडेक्स, फोर्थ इंडेक्स. हमारा फर्स्ट नंबर 0 इंडेक्स कहलाता है, सेकंड नंबर फर्स्ट इंडेक्स कहलाएगा, थर्ड नंबर सेकंड इंडेक्स, फोर्थ नंबर थर्ड इंडेक्स, फिफ्थ नंबर फोर्थ इंडेक्स. The array of employee ID. In the preceding figure, you can see that the first element is stored in the index number 0, while the fifth element is stored in the index number 4. Which is 1 less than the size of the array. यानी कि 0 इंडेक्स से शुरू होता है हमारा. In order to use arrays, you need to know how to create and access them. अब हम arrays को create और access कैसे करते हैं वो देखेंगे. Creating arrays. You can create the following type of array and arrays: one-dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. इस वीडियो में हम one-dimensional array के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. One-dimensional array. It is a collection of elements with a single index value. A one-dimensional array can have multiple columns but only one row. The creation of one-dimensional array involves two steps. Declare an array and second, assign values to the array. पहले array को declare करना, फिर उनमें value डालना. Declaring an array. An array needs to be declared before it can be used in a program. You can declare a one-dimensional array by using the following syntax. Array type, array name, bracket equals to new array type size. In the preceding syntax, array type specifies the type of element to be stored in array. Array name specifies the name of the array, using which the elements of the array will be initialized and manipulated. And size specifies the size of the array. The following code snippet declares an array to store 3 strings values. String jumble word bracket equals to new strings. ये size है हमारा 3. The preceding code snippet creates an array of string jumble words which can store 3 elements with the index of elements ranging from 0 to 2. Assigning values to the array. You can assign value to each element of the array by using the index number of the element. For example, to assign the value lpep to the first element of the array, you can use the following code snippet. Jumble word 0 equals to lpep, यानी कि 0 इंडेक्स पे हमारा lpep असाइन हो गया. You can also assign values to the array at the time of declaration. For this, you are not required to specify the size of the array, as shown in the following code snippet. String jumble word bracket is equals to in braces lpep, argneo, rgeps braces close. इसमें हमने साइज डिक्लेयर नहीं करा, सीधा सीधा हमने वेरिएबल इसमें वैल्यू असाइन कर दी. इससे ये अपने आप ही साइज वाइज अपने आप ही ले लेगा. In the preceding code snippet, jumble words is a one-dimensional array. The values lpep, argneo, and rgaps are stored in the array, as shown in the following figure. ये 0 index, first index, second index. lpep, argneo, rgaps. The value stored in the jumble word arrays. ये अपने आप ही स्टोर हो गया. 0 इंडेक्स पे lpep, फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पे argneo और सेकंड इंडेक्स पे rgaps.